Barristers in England and Wales will stage a second walkout today over cuts to legal aid.
Hundreds of lawyers will also march on Westminster in protest at the government's reforms, which will see £220 million cut from the legal aid budget. Our legal affairs correspondent Clive Coleman reports.
In 2011, Francis Neckles was attacked by a youth near his home in South London. But to his surprise, he was the one charged with assault. He was represented by a solicitor funded by legal aid and acquitted.
Had I not been able to get the legal funding that made a difference then in terms of getting the representation, proper representation that I needed, my life would have been destroyed. There's no doubt about that.
Lawyers are protesting against government plans for a 17.5% cut in fees for solicitors, fewer legal aid contracts for work at police stations, and an average 6% fee cut for barristers.
No legal aid cuts!
Barristers and solicitors both already face a 30% fee reduction in the most complex cases. Solicitors' leaders say the effect of the cuts on their firms will be devastating.
They will have to get rid of, so effectively sack, their experienced, expensive solicitors, and they will have to replace them with cheap, inexperienced, unqualified legal advisors. They will also have to spend less time on each case, and they will not be able to go that extra mile for their client.
The government says that at around £2 billion a year, we have one of the most expensive legal aid systems in the world, and in the current financial climate, legal aid must be cut. Attitudes in this dispute are hardening. Today, hundreds of barristers and solicitors will take their protest to Westminster. Clive Coleman, BBC News.